Hi guys, welcome to a tour of my hotel room. Today I'm staying at the Pendry Manhattan West. Please excuse my manicure, I didn't get them done, sorry, but bear with me. I'm very excited to be here at this hotel. I've never been here before. We are here in New York City. Look at this cute little peephole. This is a very thick, solid door. Over here we have the lights, but the lights were already on when I walked in, so here's the foyer. Over here to the left we have the bathroom, I guess, like the toilet room. So let me turn on the lights, nice and bright. Big mirror. And then this is the product that they have, Min New York Memento. And then across the way we have the shower room. So let me turn on the lights here too. Yep, so lots of space, counter space. More product, makeup mirror. And you can buy these products if you like them. I haven't tried them yet, so we'll see. Mouthwash. What's in here? Okay, little amenities. Below here, we have our towels. Although, oh, there's the hairdryer. Okay. So, very nice shower. Look at that. Look at this floor work. And here's more of the products. Of course, you have your mirror right here. Oops. Sorry, I'm trying to do this quickly because I also have to get ready because I'm going out tonight. And it could be a long night. We'll see how long I last. So, great view. I have to find out what room I have. I'm actually not sure, but I really like this window. Like when I walked in, I was like, wow, that's really nice. So let's start here to the left. You have your glassware, your goodies, if you will. And then below here, you have the fridge with all the good stuff. Very nice. And if you're wondering, there is a price list over here of all the stuff you can partake in. I thought it was interesting that they have things like this special, what is it? Eye mask, silk eye mask. Okay, over here, next shelf set, lots of decor. I love the books that they have here. I would love to go through them. And I was also looking at this catch-all dish. It's petrified wood. It's heavy. I wanted it. We do have your beverage station over here, complimentary bottles of water, your coffee machine, and then up here, your glassware and your coffee stuff. Below here, you have just shelf space. I know I put my bag here, so. Really nice sized flat screen TV and more shelf space underneath here. 4 drawers there. And yeah, here, actually, I don't know what this is. I do believe they have 24-hour dining. So this is the dining menu. But you can also, when I got my key card, there was a QR code on the jacket of the key card. So you can also see the menu from over there. So over here is your temperature controls and light controls, and this is your closet. I'm not gonna lie, this closet is kind of small. it's tall too, and I'm not short. I'm sorry, I mean I'm not tall, so this is a bit of a stretch, but you know I always find a way. And down here you have the safe. There is, whoops. So you do have the luggage rack here, but I didn't feel like taking it out because I only have this. And I thought I saw, yeah, you have 2 robes here. That steamer is theirs if you want to use it. And there is an umbrella for you to use in case you need it. We might have needed it today, but actually the rain stopped, so, and it's not going to rain anymore, so thankfully I don't need it anymore. I think my coat was covering this, but you can do laundry here too. There's the bag, and inside you can see the form. I couldn't find any slippers in the closet, so I called them to ask them if they had any, and of course they do. And it has the nice Pendry logo on it, which I thought was cool. So I am ready to go. So let's go sit down. These chairs spin. Let me see. I don't know if I can open the window. I always wonder about that. Oop. Okay, that was not a good move. Let me see. Oh, I can. Oh, that's good. Just for some fresh air. Oh, hold on. Did I do this wrong? Okay. So this is the view. I actually don't know what any of these buildings are, so I'm sorry, I'm a little disoriented. Like that one, I don't know what that one is up there. I feel like this is leading to the tunnel to go to New Jersey, but I can say that to get here from Penn Station, it was a very easy walk. So yeah, I think that's it. I covered everything. I love the look of everything. Very nice, simple, and elegant. I love the decor in here. I love this window. It looks like a stage. Yeah, it's very nice. Like I said, I'm not thrilled about the closet, but you know, I'll make it work. So if you are in New York, and if you are interested in staying on the west side near Hudson Yards, because that's where this hotel is located, I would recommend that you stay at the Pendry Manhattan West. This is a very nice location, very close to Hudson Yards. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hi, I'm sorry. This is a nice space.